So this is exactly how to make an egg incubator and hatch eggs in Palworld. So what we need to do first is to open up the technology here as you can see, and then we're going to go all the way up here until we can see on the ancient technology here, egg incubator. So we're going to unlock it here, click on yes. And you can see now I have the egg incubator right here as you can see. So I'm just going to find it here now. Yep, here it is as you can see at Pal training. So I'm just going to take it and you can see it requires 10 Paldean fragment, 5 cloves, 30 stones, and 2 ancient civilization parts. So I'm just gonna build it now. You can see it's gonna take us about 25 seconds to be able to build it. Maybe if my pal can help, it's gonna go a little bit faster here. And also, of course, you will need to have an egg that we can actually hatch from it, which I'm assuming that you already have. If you don't, you will be able to find it at random places around. You can just like go around and you will be able to most likely find it at random places. But quite often it's going to be near a cliff. That's what I've noticed as well. So you can see now we can set an egg there. So for example, this one right here is going to move it here. And you can see it's going to take us 20 minutes until it's going to hatch. And basically that is exactly how to make an egg incubator and hatch eggs in Palworld.